Hi friends, today I am going to present before you about a topic from physics, which is light. So this is our contact details. If you have any doubt, you can contact us. And if you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Degree level എക്സാംസിനാണെങ്കിലും LDC ലാസ്റ്റ് ഗ്രേഡ് പോലുള്ള എക്സാംസിനാണെങ്കിലും ധാരാളമായിട്ട് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ചോദിച്ച് കണ്ടിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു ടോപ്പിക്കാണ് ലൈറ്റ്. സോ നമുക്കിതിലെ ഓരോ കണ്ടന്റ്സിലെയും ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള പോയിന്റ്സ് ഏതൊക്കെയാണെന്ന് നോക്കാം. First is, what is light? In physics, the term light refers to electromagnetic radiation of any wavelength, whether it is visible or not. Characteristics of light. Study of light is known as optics. Light, it is a transverse wave. Light travels fastest in vacuum. Density of light is minimum in vacuum. Light travels least in diamond. Density is maximum in diamond. Also, the particles travels faster than light is called as tachyons. Velocity of light increases as it travels from denser medium to a rarer medium. So next is the opaque substances. Opaque substances എന്താണെന്ന് എല്ലാവർക്കും അറിയാം. ലൈറ്റിനെ ഒട്ടും കടത്തിവിടാത്ത സബ്സ്റ്റൻസസ് ആണ് ഒപ്പേക്ക് സബ്സ്റ്റൻസസ്. ട്രാൻസ്ലൂസൻറ്റ് സബ്സ്റ്റൻസ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ലൈറ്റിനെ വളരെ കുറച്ച് കടത്തിവിടുന്ന സബ്സ്റ്റൻസസ് ആണ്. ട്രാൻസ്പെറൻറ്റ് സബ്സ്റ്റൻസ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ലൈറ്റിനെ കംപ്ലീറ്റ്ലി കടത്തിവിടുന്ന സബ്സ്റ്റൻസ് ആണ് ട്രാൻസ്പെറൻറ്റ് സബ്സ്റ്റൻസസ്. റെയിൻബോ ഈസ് ഓൾവേസ് ഫോംഡ് ഇൻ ദ ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് ഡയറക്ഷൻ ഓഫ് സൺ. In morning, rainbow is appeared in west. So the next one is number of colors in visible light, 7. അതെല്ലാവർക്കും അറിയാം. Vizier, V for violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Colors obtaining when mixing of any two primary colors, it is called secondary colors. Secondary colors ഏതൊക്കെയാണെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ yellow, magenta and cyan. Primary colors used in color television, red, blue, green. The color that absorbs all other colors is black. Color that absorbs maximum heat, black. Color that absorbs minimum heat is white. The color that uses in the fog lamp of vehicles, yellow. The color of sky in moon, black. When a red flower is viewed through blue glass plate, then it is appeared as black. So the next is the color that has maximum wavelength is red, minimum wavelength violet, maximum frequency is violet and minimum frequency is red. An object which reflects all colors appear as white. Any two colors which combine together to form white color is called as complementary colors. Red light passing through a green object appears as black. Mixing up of two secondary colors form tertiary colors. ഇതൊക്കെ ഓൾമോസ്റ്റ് എക്സാംസിന് ചോദിച്ചിട്ടുള്ള പോയിന്റ്സ് ആണ്. സോ ദ നെക്സ്റ്റ് ടോപ്പിക് ഇസ് ഫോട്ടോ ഇലക്ട്രിക് ഇഫക്റ്റ്. വാട്ട് ഈസ് ഫോട്ടോ ഇലക്ട്രിക് ഇഫക്റ്റ്? എമിഷൻ ഓഫ് ഇലക്ട്രോൺസ് ഫ്രം എ മെറ്റൽ സർഫസ് coated by sodium or potassium when light rays falls on it. And this photoelectric effect is proposed by Heinrich Hertz. It is explained by Albert Einstein, and he won Nobel Prize for the scientific explanation of photoelectric effect. And also Einstein explained photoelectric effect on the basis of quantum theory. Next is, what is quantum theory? It was put forward by Max Planck. Quantum theory states that the light rays consist of small energy packets called quantum. According to this quantum theory, quantum of light is known as a photon. Phenomenon of emission of light from substances after the absorption of photon is known as photoluminescence. Next we will see the properties of light. Among the properties we will see the first one, that is reflection. What is reflection? It is the phenomenon of bouncing back of light when a beam of light falls on a surface. That is reflection. So the next one is the refraction. Refraction is the bending of light when a ray of light travels from one medium to another. Due to the change in medium, the phase velocity of a wave change, but its frequency remains constant. So we see the examples of refraction. The first one is when a scale is immersed in water, it seems to be bended. So the second one is the stars appear to be twinkling. Phenomenon of mirage in deserts. Tank appears shallow than its actual depth. So these all are the examples of refraction. Next one is the total internal reflection. The total internal reflection principle finds its application in construction of optical fibers, endoscopy, vehicle reflectors, etc. The working principle of optical fiber is total internal reflection. So the next is dispersion. What is dispersion? It is the splitting of constituent beam of light into its constituent colors. Dispersion is discovered by Sir Isaac Newton. The device used for splitting of this composite beam of white light into its components is prism. We'll see. We know that rainbow is formed by total internal reflection, refraction, and dispersion of light by the water particles present in atmosphere. The color at the center of the rainbow is green. So the next property is the interference. What is interference? The distribution of light energy when two or more light waves superimpose to each other. The examples of interference is different colors in soap bubbles. Colors that appear on the upper layer of oil spread on the rod. These two is the examples for interference. That is the different colors in soap bubbles. Colors that appear on the upper layer of oil spread on the rod. The next property is the diffraction. When light passes through a very small object, it spread out into a geometrical shadow of obstacle. This is termed as diffraction. We'll see the examples. The first one is the projector in the film theater, rings around the sun, optical phenomenon which causes fringe pattern of CD. These are the examples of diffraction. So the next property is the scattering of light. In the scattering of light, the blue color of sky, the reddening of sun at sunrise and sunset, light of shorter wavelength scatter more than light of longer wavelength. So the blue color of the sky is an example of scattering, and also the reddening of sun at sunrise and sunset. The next one is the polarization. Phenomenon of confining the vibrations of a transverse wave to a particular direction. The Nicol prism is a Polaroid. Polaroids are used in windows of aeroplane and cars, sunglasses, three-dimensional motion pictures, oil painting to improve color contrast. So the next topic is the Doppler effect. What is Doppler effect? The apparent change in frequency of a light or sound wave when the source or the observer moves with respect to each other. Increase in frequency of visible light when it moves towards the observer is blue shift. Decrease in frequency of visible light when it moves towards from the observer, that is the red shift. Blue shift and the red shift occur due to Doppler effect. So the next topic is the Tyndall effect. What is Tyndall effect? It is the scattering of light by the particles in a cloud. See the examples. Sunlight passes through a mist. A blue color is sometimes seen in smoke of motor vehicles. This is Tyndall effect. So if you like this video, please subscribe our channel, and if ഇതിൽ ഏതെങ്കിലും ടോപ്പിക്കുകൾക്കിടയിൽ എന്തെങ്കിലും പോയിന്റ്സ് മിസ്സായിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ പ്ലീസ് കമൻറ്റ്. ഈ വീഡിയോയുടെ താഴെ കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യാവുന്നതാണ്. സോ താങ്ക് യു സോ മച്ച് ഫോർ വാച്ചിങ്.